Wait, you have been at the studio this whole time?
Indeed. We've been rehearsing for the big show.
We're at the big show, and you were due on stage hours ago.
Hey, Scooter, why didn't you tell us we were late?
But Fozzie.
Whew! I tried to stall, but tough crowd. Hey, you guys better get moving. Traffic is so bad it'd be faster to waka waka.
I don't know how much longer this crowd's gonna wait.
Don't worry, Kermit. The mayhem will be there.
Good.
Though I have no idea how. Dr. Honeydew?
Oh, excuse us. Beaker and I were just testing the latest innovation from Muppet Labs, the lengthy immediate motion object.
A limo.
It's pronounced limo, actually.
How fast can you get?
Do what? I don't know. Oh, no, there you go. There's four. Keep her head back.
4, 3, 2, 1!
How is that?
God, my ears are still ringing.
From all their screaming?
No, from having to listen to the Muppets. Eesh. Now see, that's the only way you'd ever get me to a Muppets concert.
In a fancy limo?
No, locked in an overhead restraint.
Oh!